Rhubarb's a favourite garden plant and it's grown from crowns. You can either divide clumps of your own, and we look at that in a separate video, or you can buy new rhubarb crowns. You can buy large crowns or you can buy small crowns like this. This is a particularly small crown. Not the best looking crown, however, these are a tough plant, and we'll use this one to show you how to plant a new small rhubarb crown. Because this is a very small crown and it's a fairly weak looking one, we're going to plant this one in more shade than we normally would, and once it's grown on for a year, we'll transplant it out into the regular garden. When preparing the soil, we usually add half a cup of blood and bone and 2 cups of aged cow manure to the soil. Mix it well through before planting. These are both mild fertilizers, so there's no problem with burning the roots of the plant. Once you've prepared the soil, your rhubarb needs to be planted with the top of the crown just at soil level. With new crowns, you need to water them. Keep watering them regularly until new growth appears, and use a liquid fertilizer as well. Rhubarb is a hungry plant. After you've replanted your new rhubarb crown, you should start to see new growth in a few weeks, if the weather is warm enough. And here's our small crown after 6 weeks, just coming into summer. You can see the new growth. Through the first summer with new crowns or replants, rhubarb may need more water than usual, so water it through the first summer until it's established. And of course, the amount of water is going to depend on your climate zone and the amount of rain that you're getting. After 12 months, your rhubarb should be starting to look a little bit like this. In our case, we'd be digging it up and shifting it to a sunnier position. But remember, during that first 12 months, don't harvest any of the stems, because you need to allow the rhubarb plant to develop strength. Liquid fertilizer on a regular basis is certainly going to help. Mulching around the plant will help with moisture, and once this plant is established, it'll be good in the ground for another 6 years. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on all sorts of matters regarded to the vegetable garden, including growing lime trees like this, tomatoes like these, and a whole range of ornamental plants like this chocolate cosmos, plants that attract bees, which are pollinators, like this salvia. And as always, good luck with your gardening.